Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1 where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. Battery replacement, 2006 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Got our negative cable here. It's 8mm or 5/16, and our positive cable here, again 8mm or 5/16. I'm going to disconnect the negative first and install it last. So then we'll take this bar out, 10mm bolts and one nut, 2 bolts, the nuts around here somewhere, bolt here, air, I guess to cool the battery, I suppose, a nut down here, and then a bolt over here. I'm sure there's some flexibility in this bar. We can, there we go, get it out. Out of the way. Then there's a tab, retainer tab here. Just a little, push it in a little bit. To remove that once we've got the battery connections off. Just tucking that out of the way. There's also a 13mm nut down here on a stud, so I'll remove that as well. A regular bolt had stripped out, so I put a new 5/16 bolt in here, and there's a nut. Tighten this down, and you can tighten the nut down onto the washer. Should be good to go. I slit this to give us a little protection. So we'll just slide what we can on there, and we'll put the negative on. battery terminal protector we can spray on there. Hooking up the air hose as well. Battery replacement, 2006 Chevy Trailblazer.